Hi friends, this is automatic barcode operating in railway system. For that we are using Arduino board, PIR sensor, LCD, and this is the barcode, actually a presentation of a barcode. We will see the opening and closing of the barcode also. So for that, to display on LCD, here I have kept that barcode open, door close. So while developing, this is the factor PIR sensor, which is the major thing in the project. Why? Because based on the motion detection by this PIR sensor, the barcode will open or close. So if any motion is detected by this PIR motion sensor, then automatically the barcode will close. Otherwise the barcode will get open. Okay, so this is how we will do the project. So see here, I will see the motion detection and barcode door opening and closing. See the opening and closing. See the door closing here, and a motion is detected and the door get closed. So the same can be observed in the LCD also. Okay, so this is how we will develop a project of automatic barcode operating system in railways. And this is the relay, this is the motor driver which we are using to open this barcode or to close this barcode. See here, I am giving an adapter of 12 volts. So the input here is 12 volts. So by using 12 volts, by using this 12 volts, we are able to control this barcode opening and closing. For that I have used two pins. See here, these are the two pins which are connected to the Arduino. The pin numbers are 8 and 9. So why I am showing these two pins specifically is for this is the major thing which we are controlling the automatic barcode opening and closing. This is the major connection actually. So that's why I am showing this connection. We will make pin 1 low and pin 2 high, and in another case we will make pin 1 high and pin 2 low. So even in the programming also we will arrange in such a way, and hence we are able to get the opening and closing of barcode door.